Man, check out this tiny truck suspension bridge. Recon G6 put this up for Axial Fest Badlands. It is huge.
Right now.
They broke it when they put
Good job. Keep it steady.